Ladies and gentlemen, day one has officially commenced as it is 5:29 in the morning and we are stuck at a red light with no traffic on the road. But we're up and at 'em, having fun. Haven't had a drip of coffee yet, so we are running low on caffeine. We are also running low on the C63 AMG because we got 4 people in the car, 4 people's luggage for a 4-day vacation. I think we're rubbing a bit in the back, so we can definitely hear it. It's not the best noise ever, but good news is our voyage is only about 48 more minutes. Then we're at rally launch. Yo, these street sweepers are on the highway. We're going 70. These things gotta be going like 55, 60. I've never seen such a thing in my entire life. Oh, that guy said he's late for work. We are mad tucking. A little bit of luggage, a little bit of passenger, and that's why we heard that noise earlier. Looks like our meeting spot is right over there. Looks like we got a ZL1. Oh shoot, Ryan wrapped the GTS. That's why it's that color. Troy looks like he's wearing a jumpsuit. I look really stocky right now, so I'm gonna focus on what's going over here. We have arrived to rally launch, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! That is a bright color on the GTS. Oh my gosh, Troy, what are you wearing?
Oh, it was blue last year, right?
Yeah. All right, let's go say hi. Hope I don't get a copyright strike with the music, but we are ready to rip. Looks like we've got a Huracan, a 488, a couple AMGs, a Panamera, another 488. Oh, baby. We're having fun today, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. We got the line up. Beautiful morning. It's not like freezing out right now. It's not too bad. Well, a little bit. A little bit. Oh yeah. This is a new wrap on this car. Looks great. Is that stock ride height on the R8? That looks low. I like that though. That color matches really well with the calipers, all the black accent. We got the Skittles out today with the yellow R8, the green GT500, and the blue M4. Mitch finally showing up. Let's say hi to him. Well, it's about time.
What up?
How you feeling?
Feel great.
Did a little partying yesterday?
Nick,
Adam? Howdy. Man, look at how good that RK is on there. I wonder who helped you. Oh my goodness. Good
morning. Oh my.
Holy moly.
Morning.
Howdy. Howdy, howdy.
What's going on?
Reed coming in with the fresh wrap. Oh, Jeff.
This actually came out sick. You know, I love it.
Oh yeah, the limo's going. The limo has arrived, ladies and gentlemen.
The fact that we have a limo is just absolutely hilarious.
I love it.
Bring a limo without mimosas? Who would do that? Thanks, Dogecoin.
Let's go.
Cheers.
God bless, dude. Cheers. Oh my God, yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, departing now from the station. RK Rally just went live on Instagram. I assume that's up there getting us pulling out. But we got our little navigation here. And we're off. And there's Jeff in the RS5 right behind us. We are off! Rally has started. Woo! Oh, hey there!
Oh, hey there, guys.
Hey! Ladies and gentlemen, the golden butthole. I hope I don't get demonetized for saying the B word on Instagram. I mean, YouTube. Whatever platform I'm on.
That wrap's so cool.
The RS5 with a little custom livery. No way, he's lighting somebody up right now. Get over, Carson, get over.
Cop's flying up on the left with the lights
Got the Corvette.
He's pulling Reed over.
Oh no, he got Reed.
Car with a camera.
Oh,
Already?
that we haven't gone 10 miles
Alex said good thing Reed's in a cop uniform.
Oh my god, he is. Reed's in the Reno 911 uniform.
Oh my god!
He's gonna get impersonating an officer.
Reed is wearing a cop uniform, bro.
He was sticking out of the window too.
I wonder if that's also why.
Good luck, Mr. Reed. Also, new addition. Carson got a little rock chip yesterday coming into town, so that's unfortunate, but hey, the show rolls on. So Reed got pulled over, but he did just get let off with a warning.
Violation of safety belt law passenger because he was hanging out the window.
Oh.
I knew it when he got pulled over.
The cameraman in Reed's car was hanging out the window, so he ended up being all right. Looks like the Huracan is behind us now. That is a beautiful car. Saw that thing on the launch, and woo, I guess these guys, we're gonna have to get their story, but I think they shipped the car from Florida to go on this rally, so very cool.
Yeah, I did the vinyl on that car.
Carson did help with the vinyl on the Lambo. Like that, we're in the front of the pack. Florida boys came to play. We got shades of green for the AMGs today. Sorry, just got blocked by the Beaver when I said that. First gas stop of the day. A couple thirsty V8s with the Vette and the CTSV in front of us. Now that we got a second, I think there's a state trooper. Yeah, right up here. Just kind of lurking, chilling. And we're going 74 miles an hour. That guy
He's sleeping.
He is sleeping. My dog
look at the
wants
front,
to
and then
see.
you,
I don't want to get demonetized on YouTube, so you guys can read the rest. Coming to you live from the back of the Infiniti sedan, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. George picked up the slack on the C63. What are we doing? Are we doing Tunnel of Trees?
Tunnel of Trees, baby.
Tunnel of Trees, and then Mackinac after that. So we're taking a ferry. The day feels like it should be over, but it's 11:45 a.m.
We're just getting started.
We are just getting started. 11:45. We've got festivities all planned tonight. Going across the bridge. We got Mackinac Island right after this Chevrolet. Right there, and if you look closely, I think this big white building, if we can get a little focus, is the hotel we're staying at. So we accidentally crossed the bridge. We weren't actually supposed to go to the ferry port. What would you even call it?
Well, there's two different ferries, and we decided to go to the farther one and not the closer one that we're supposed to be at.
Right. So we crossed the bridge, we went to the wrong port, and I guess it's better that we learned because now we're on our way back. But Carson, who just got picked up in, what is it, Scat Pack you said?
yeah, it's a wide body Scat Pack.
Carson got picked up in a Scat Pack because his car pooped out. So he's going to be crossing here shortly. We're going to be waiting because it looks like one of the lanes is shut down here. Just, I don't know. We're in a bit of a pinch, but I think we're good. It's 18 minutes till departure.
When we looked it up, I go, oh, like this is closer to go across. That's probably a 15-minute ferry. That's probably, it's a half hour to go this way.
It made more sense.
It made more sense to me as well.
Oh, we got some ferries ripping over there now.
I feel like we could have taken that one and just left our car there, but then.
Oh, Carson. Carson. We're on the ferry. Oh, look, the bridge we crossed earlier.
Yeah, we just went there.
Twice. That hotel's so big, they should call it the Big Hotel. This one's never been on a ferry before. Hey,
No.
mask on. Woo! We got the view.
It's the first time I've been here, so we have some plans for the night. We're gonna go out to the two different bars. I'm gonna shotgun this one on behalf of Carson.
That's why it flies down.
Carson's car today. We ordered him a green tea shot. He doesn't know that yet. He's sitting across from us at a different table. We also ordered our friend Nick a shot. but it's water. Honestly, just want to see what happens. Like, we're doing a little experiment right now. It could be fun, could just be a, you know, a bust. You know it'll be fun if it makes it in the video. If not, I'll edit this out.
I'm just gonna do another water.
Can I get the pulled pork quesadillas with ranch? Can I have 2 ranches, please? Yeah.
I'm gonna do the fajita steak. Fajita steak. Yeah. Thank you.
No.